G'day team, I just wanted to talk to you about butter. Good old straight up butter, not modified in any way. Preferably you want to use organic or unsalted butter, but it should not be modified in any way. Margarine is not a food, butter is better, and it's full of fat soluble vitamins, A, D, E and K, fat soluble vitamins. Also it contains a very unique nutrient called butyric acid, which helps to protect against ovarian cancer, breast cancer, and also it helps protect you against degenerative diseases. It's great for flavouring your foods, stir fries, cook your steak in it. Really good at adding flavour to your meals. And over here, this is how I flavour my meals and use it in a stir fry. All I do is use a bit of butter in here. Actually, you can use it liberally, and it actually helps it really flavour that food. And I just let it melt there and just stir it in. So there you have it. Easy to make some flavour your food. Butter's actually a really good food for you to have, preferably organic and, well, unsalted butter.